Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro, your go-to channel for everything fast, luxurious, and bold on wheels. Today, we're switching gears from 2 wheels to 4 for something truly iconic. Let's dive into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, better known as the legendary G-Wagon. Timeless design, modern evolution. At first glance, the 2026 G-Wagon retains its unmistakable boxy silhouette, a design that stood the test of time since 1979. But look closer, and you'll notice sharper LED lighting, a refined grille, and sleeker aerodynamic lines. It's a perfect blend of old-school toughness and modern elegance. Mercedes has carefully updated the exterior to improve efficiency while preserving the G's off-road DNA. Luxury meets rugged performance. Inside, the 2026 G-Class is pure luxury. We're talking Nappa leather seats, a curved widescreen cockpit with dual 12.3-inch displays, and ambient lighting that feels straight out of a sci-fi lounge. But don't be fooled. This beast still packs serious off-road prowess. The updated 4MATIC system, improved ground clearance, and locking differentials mean the G-Wagon can go just about anywhere. New powertrains and electric future. The big news for 2026? The introduction of a fully electric variant, the EQG. Zero emissions, instant torque, and near-silent power, all wrapped in the G-Class body. For those who still crave that growl, the twin-turbo V8 remains available in select models, updated for better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Tech-packed and future-ready. The 2026 G-Wagon is smarter than ever. Features like the latest MBUX infotainment system, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and voice-controlled everything make it feel like you're piloting a luxury spacecraft. Final thoughts. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class continues its legacy with power, style, and forward-thinking tech. Whether you're hitting mountain trails or pulling up to a gala, it's built to impress. Subscribe to Bike Reviews Pro for more reviews, both on 2 wheels and 4. Thanks for watching.